Do you want to time travel? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna try an experiment. We're gonna time travel back to the 80s and the 90s in this beautiful city that is Vancouver with our Leica Q2. After many videos where we discussed the zone focusing, the manual or autofocusing, all the crop modes, 28 versus 35 millimeters, 35 versus 50 millimeters, so on and so forth, today I decided to time travel back a few dozen years to when the rents were still affordable and the city didn't have that many inhabitants as today. You can try the same experiment in your own city. So I know that, guys, street photographers all want to have street photography session in New York if you're in America, in London if you're in Europe, and in any major cities if you're in Asia like Tokyo or Singapore. But you need to do it in your very own city because you need to know it very well, and especially you need to know the areas where the lookalike doesn't say 2022. And we don't want to move any slider in post-production, so I'm not converting my pictures into black and white because that would be so easy. I'm not using any of the sliders in Photoshop because that would be so easy. So today we will sit together and we try to use our camera with its own capabilities. And I picked up the perfect light for the experiment, which was the end of the morning where the light is still yellowish, not yet completely white, when we have a lot of shades, nuances, reflections, and I'm using the camera as I would have used it 20-30 years ago, so I'm not adjusting the ISO. I picked up 400 ISO because that was the premium film back in the days. 100 was the very basic film, while the 400 ISO was a premium film. 400 black and white was even more expensive, but let's go back to basic. So I picked up an area of the city where the buildings are not so modern. I'm trying not to have modern elements in my pictures. I'm trying to avoid people when they are using their smartphone, whatever they're doing. Anytime I see people with their smartphones in hand, I'm not pressing the shutter speed because I want to have this retro feeling. And so you will see the light today has the right color, and also I have no idea why. I realized it when I was there. People are dressed like in the 80s or in the 90s. So I hope you will enjoy this experiment. Are you ready? Let's go rolling. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment of mine. If you want to do the same, please let me know the outcome. If you want me to do new experiments, new challenges, feel free to suggest them. And If you like the video, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye.